To another Wise Option e-learning. In today's video, we are going to be going over how to generate an Excel file list that you can then use to print address labels. So very commonly, users would like to be able to print address labels based on the physical addresses that are listed in the customer files in Wise Option, whether it be for holiday cards or thank you cards at the end of the busy season. There may be a couple different reasons why, but we do have a feature in Wise Option where it lets you to generate that list there from a list of customers that you would like to send those to. The place you'd like to go is to go to Reports, Customer, and Address Labels. Now, of course, everyone uses different address labels, right? Different sizes, different number of labels per page. So that's the reason why we recommend actually generating this list, which we're going to do together here, and saving it as an Excel file, which then you can actually utilize Microsoft's mail merge function in order to be able to select the appropriate template, because of course there is a vast number of templates and we couldn't possibly think for all of them. So we just help you to generate the list. So this video is going to focus here on generating that list and getting that CSV file from Excel. The next video is going to show you how to actually use that mail merge function in Word to be able to actually print and generate those labels. So back here in Wise Option, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a query if I haven't already by clicking Manage List and creating a query to be able to generate the list of customers that I would like to use for address labels, right? You may not want to print address labels for all customers. So you're going to create a query to be able to filter out and to narrow down which customers you would like to generate in this list to print address labels for. If you need help, of course, we've linked here below a video and a tutorial there about queries. And obviously, if you need help creating a specific one, please let us know. I'm just going to use this one here I already have created. And then, of course, I can select all. I can unselect individual ones if there are some here I don't want to export and generate for. And then down here at the bottom, I'm going to select what address type I should be generating in this list. If the customers all just have one physical address, it's not a big deal. You can select any of these, but if customers have multiple, right, that's where you might have listed one as the primary, another one is billing, another one is physical, another one is mailing, etc. So make sure you select the right address type before you click Print Address Labels. Click Yes to preview first. Now, once you're here to this point, then we want to go ahead and export this as that CSV file. So I'm going to go ahead and click that little export button, come here, and I'm going to click this .csv file, and I'm going to go ahead and give this a name, whatever I'd like to, maybe, list of customers for holiday card, and click save, and save that to, of course, that appropriate file. And that's where we're going to pause here. In the next video, we're going to actually show how to use the Microsoft Word's mail merge feature in order to take this list that you just exported. So once it's exported, you'll notice it looks something like this. So it exports here with each one of these columns separated like this. The only thing additional that you'll need to do is you'll just need to insert a column here up at the top, so a row here. So we'll do insert, and I would just name each one of these. So this first one here is, of course, the client's name. This is address 1. This next one is address 2. Next one, of course, is city, state. And this last one here is zip code. And then this will put you in good shape here to utilize the mail merge feature in Microsoft Next. As always, if you have any questions, let us know. Thanks so much.